Nowadays, today I am going to show you how to change the CMOS battery. This computer has so many problems. BIOS corrupt, operating system crash, CMOS battery failed and Wi-Fi network card failed. First two things are done and now we are going to change the CMOS battery failed. Okay. This video is just for education purpose only. If you are not aware, don't do it. How we can recognize the battery failed? You have to check the time and date setting. It will be different. And when booting up, it will show CMOS check battery some error. Battery failed. It is difficult to booting up, and some drivers will be missed, and the date and time will be reset. CMOS is complementary metal oxide semiconductor, that is small amount of memory on a computer motherboard that stores the BIOS setting. BIOS is the software store on the memory chip on the motherboard. Before doing anything, you remove the battery. And one more thing, this is Core i5 laptop. Each computer has a different types of computer opening technique. So this is the memory and memory card. It is easy to remove. But the CMOS battery change, you have to open all the things. Then I can show you. Remove all the screws and first remove the CD drive. Check where parts is screws are available. Then remove everything. After all the screws are removed, then remove the CD drive. Then this keyboard, it is easy to remove. This keyboard has outside the area. Before I did one, that is rivet type keyboard. This is easy to use and remove. And backside the keyboard you have to remove again. Some screws are there. And remove that one. And remove the power strip, power ribbon connector from the motherboard. Remove the touchpad connector. And remove the front panel. This is the touchpad and mousepad button, and keep it aside. This is the motherboard, hard disk. We already removed the CD drive. Remove this cable from the motherboard. This is the laptop peripheral connectors, and remove the CD connector. And check all other screws on the fixed motherboards and remove. And one more thing, we didn't remove the memory card and a network card. Remove the memory card and a network card. Network card has two wires for the antenna. This is the memory card. And remove the network card, Wi-Fi network card. This is the antenna booster cable connector. This is going to the near the screen area. This card also corrupted. This is not showing the network. I changed this card after this computer done. I didn't remove the screen connector. Just hold and check back side of the laptop motherboard. There will be the CMOS battery. Check the CMOS battery number and buy it another one, then put it on the CMOS battery compartment. Check how I am doing to remove and fixing it. Always check the battery number and change to the same battery. And fix it. And mission done. And reverse back, and I can show you how it's work. Clean the board and CPU cooler fan, air blower or Kleenex or small type of soft brushes, and connect the hard disk connector, its back side. When I remove the keyboard, CD drive and hard drive, I forgot to record, so I am showing again. So the motherboard fix on the laptop cover properly. Connect the CD ribbon to the CD drive port. Just push it and lock the pin. And the peripheral connector ribbon to the motherboard, and lock the black locking clip. And connect this port. Just pull it inside. And check everything, it's already done properly. And connect the network card. Network card, after later I change this from to another one. And connect the memory card like this. Just push down, then it's locked. And connect the touchpad ribbon cable. And connect the power button cable. And connect the keyboard connector. And do not fix it. Before doing that, check it. Connect the power cord, then put it on the power. Check the date and time and set the time. After setting the date and time, restart again. then it will be fixed. And put the CD drive on the CD compartment. And everything is okay, it's working down. It's finalizing HP. And restart again and check again the date and time is set. This is Core i5 laptop. Mission completed. CMOS battery change and reset the BIOS settings. Thank you.